must remain in your seat with your seatbelt fastened. Don't get up.
Now, if you plan to sleep during the flight, please keep your seatbelt fastened and visible to cabin crew.
Now I hope you guys don't plan no sleep help. I don't have no sleep bags. I can't do that. Let's get out of here. What are you doing? Now you know that stuff makes your breath smell like butt, right? We strictly observe a non-smoking policy at all times in this aircraft. And that includes that stuff. What is this called? No. That includes electronic smoking devices. No. Smoking in the toilet will activate the smoke alarm. Smoking aboard the aircraft and tampering with the smoke detectors are criminal offenses punishable by law.
Upload already.
It's not gonna happen, Joey. You don't have a signal because I shut the cell towers down. Go ahead, ask me why.
Why would you do that?
I knew you'd ask me.
Why did
You want to know why I did it? I'll tell you why I did it. I did it for safety reasons, Joe. Safety reasons. Huh? With the exception of handheld portable electronic devices in flight mode, the use of electronic devices is not permitted for takeoff and landing.
Who are you talking to?
Such devices must remain switched off until advised by cabin crew. Please remove all devices from charging ports for takeoff and landing. If you drop your electronic device inside your seat, please do not operate the seat controls. Instead, contact a member of the cabin crew for assistance. Please take a moment to locate the emergency exits near your seats. Emergency exits are clearly marked and located as shown. Escape path lighting will guide you to the emergency exits. Watch this.
How'd you do that?
I don't really reveal my secrets. In case of emergency landing on water, evacuation slides will serve as rafts. Please remember to remove all high-heel shoes before using the slide and leave all hand baggage behind. Okay. Who thought this was funny? Help! I didn't know it would be this high up. Who thought this was a good idea? I think it was so slow. You know, I pulled my speed. You need to speed it up a little bit. Why'd you get a chair up here?
Long story. I'll explain later.
In the unlikely event of an emergency landing, please adopt the appropriate brace position. Adam, look, your shoe's untied.
Not again.
For those in a premium cabin, forward-facing seats, please adopt this brace position. For those in a premium cabin with rear-facing seats, please adopt this brace position.
Oh, my legs are numb.
Just a little numbness.
Damn it, my legs are numb.
Put the mask on, Adam.
There's already oxygen out here.
Oh, Adam, will you stop being a baby? If oxygen is required, mask will appear from above you. Or you may be required to release the mask by pulling on the colored red flag marked pull. Pulling the mask toward you will activate the oxygen supply. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, adjust the band to secure it, and breathe normally. When your mask is fitted correctly, you may then assist others. You can't help people if you can't breathe. Well, look at me just sitting here looking natural and comfortable with my Falcon. I'm not scared. No, you are. Your life jacket is either beside you, next to you, or underneath your seat. When instructed by crew, remove it from its container and pull it over your head. Hold on.
Bring the tape around your waist and fasten in front, pulling firmly to secure.
Just gotta pay attention. Is that a pacifier?
Only place the life jacket as you leave the aircraft by pulling on the red toggle sharply downward.
What is a toggle?
You can also inflate or top up the life jacket by blowing into the mouthpiece. The life jacket has a whistle to attract attention. A light will automatically illuminate when in water.
I'm getting dizzy.
Life jackets for infants will be distributed by cabin crew.
It's not hard once you really figure it out. To help with final preparations to take off, please ensure your seat's in the fully upright position. Your window shade is open or set to the clear position. Your tray table and footrest are stowed. Your armrest is down and your seatbelt is fastened. What? Yes. The Q Suite door shall be locked in the open position by the crew and shall remain open for taxi, takeoff, and landing. To remind yourself of the safety aspects of this aircraft, please read the safety card located in your seat pocket. It shows in detail each of the safety aspects of this aircraft. If you're traveling in the premium cabin, the Q Suite safety card is located in your suite, which highlights emergency exit procedures in case your suite door is jammed in a closed position. If you have any questions, the cabin crew will be happy to help you. Please prepare for takeoff. Now you can enjoy your 8,000 entertainment options on your Oryx One. By the way, I should be in 7,999. Rocket's only in one. Don't ask me why.
Please carry all electrical goods with lithium batteries in your cabin bag. This includes power banks and any spare batteries. All electronic devices must be disconnected from in-seat power during taxi, takeoff and landing. Please take care not to let them fall down the side of the seat. And if you notice any device overheating, please notify a member of the cabin crew immediately. For more information, please visit QatarAirways.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, in the event of loss of cabin pressure, can you ensure that you remove the face covering if you are wearing one prior to putting on the drop-down oxygen mask? Thank you. cabin crew seats for departure.